All right. We're going to start the day. This is how I start my day. You don't have to like my song. It's okay. And look, I still have stuff on from yesterday. We're not going to talk about that. But I do my agenda. Today is Tuesday. So, I usually like to sit and make it look all fancy, but lately I haven't had a lot of time to really, like, I'll even draw, like, eyes or, like, roses and stuff on it sometimes at night when I'm, like, about to go to bed. But I don't have time for that today. So we're just going to do a basic board. I'm going to write everything in black because on the other side I did blue, I guess, and black. But all right, so we're going to start with get ready plus go to gym. So I wanted to make a whole video about how I do this and make it like super long, but then I kind of realized that wasn't necessary and I could just do one in front of you and show it instead of like make it like a lesson. So after that, what am I going to do? I know I need to get a couple things from the store and I should do that while I'm out. So I'm going to do run errands. And I will text myself things I need to remember and then quickly back out of it so that it's still a new message. So that helps me keep my stuff in check. I have really good long-term memory, but I'm working on my short-term memory. So you can use lists. Alarms is another thing that I use when I have to do something and remember something ahead of time or the same day. And if you have to do something a couple days in advance, you can set your alarm on the iPhone. I have iPhone. You can probably do this on your other devices too, but yeah, after that, then you would just turn it off and then do it again for the next day that you have to do that. So we're going to keep going with this or I'm going to make the longest video ever and it's going to be stupid. So after I get ready and go to the gym and run errands, I'm going to get my lunch and I'm probably going to eat the pita place because I want to stay. Well, no, that's the same as what I ate yesterday. I'm going to eat something healthy. Maybe I'll get Panera soup or something and I'm going to make sure to drink a bunch of water because they do have high salt content and I'm a salty girl already. I like a lot of salty stuff. So after lunch, we're going to come back home. And then I put home plus chores. I might even do these dishes before I leave because they're not looking good and I can just throw them in the dishwasher. But I still have other stuff to do. Don't worry, I've got children. After that, I'm going to work until I get my kids on the computer because I work from home now. And then I'm going to put go get kids. And then I'm going to put grab dinner because I don't know what I'm going to cook yet. And then I'm going to put cook dinner plus do kids have homework. I used to try to make them different schedules, but it's just easier if I do it all in mine. And then right after dinner, depending on what time it is, the kids will have playtime. And then screen time. I mean, those are like the same thing, but I don't let them do it 45 minutes before bed because it's not good for your sleep. That last one kind of cut off, and I'm starting to realize I might not have saved the first video. I hope I did. But our last thing that we do is night routine. This changes day to day, which is another reason why I can't just keep this consistently the same. And I like to do it this way because I'm weird about the environment and I don't want to waste paper writing an agenda every day when I can just erase this and then do it again the next day. Another thing I find really helpful about this method is that I take a photo of it. So then I have it in my phone and okay, well, what if you need to add something, Courtney? Well, if you need to add something, that's when you text yourself. You text yourself or you make your little lists in your notes or whatever works for you. Whoa, that looked like I had black eyes for a second. I don't. Just need to take off this makeup. But I hope this helps some of y'all get organized and I will continue to post. I don't know what that's about. I'll continue to post like development and like vlog stuff. And I don't know, I'm going to be a clinical psychologist in a few years. That's what I'm training to do. So anything related to that, or like what I'm doing. I also do hair. It's kind of sporadic and all over the place, but I am dabbling in a lot of different stuff, and that's why the YouTube channel is called Topics. So like, subscribe, check back with us, do all that stuff. I want to start doing shout outs. So if you want to get mentioned in a shout out, comment below, comment shout out, and I will be picking somebody if anybody enters. So we shall see you on the flip side. When I say we, I mean, well, I don't know why I said we, but I'm peacing out. So this is what mine looks like. I like to put important reminders and some of my creative ideas here so I don't forget about them, because I have literally ideas everywhere. Like, this is a bunch of poetry from my poetry book. There's my iPad that I'm supposed to be drawing on and I haven't touched in forever, but I use it for edits and stuff like that and other business stuff, so it's not useless. Oh, and there's Sip Club. If you don't know about Sip Club yet, I'm not sponsored, but it's literally the best thing ever. It's $12 a month right now. They're doing 2 months free to anybody that signs up, and you literally don't get charged until it's time to renew the 2 months later. Not Spawn, but I'd love to be Spawn, because Panera is literally the ish, and since I've been really trying to take being healthy seriously and going to the gym and stuff, I just love Sip Club, so you guys should go get that for sure. But yeah, this is what it looks like and what yours might look like, or you can break it up into whatever you want, because these don't always look the same for me either. It really depends on